we want to find the blue shaded area. The curve is y equals x squared, and the area will be given by the integral from x equals 0 to x equals 3 of y dx, as discussed in the introduction to this section. Since the curve is y is x squared, we can replace the y with x squared, and note now that the limits don't have an x equals as they did here, because we now have a function of x, but they must say x equals when we have a function of y inside the integral sign. We can now integrate as normal into our squared brackets. The second bracket carries the limits. Our usual round brackets for doing the definite integral. The top limit, the bottom limit, and this first bracket evaluates to 9, the second one to 0, and so we get 9 square units as our area.